All right.
Speaking the crowd there. Here we go. Okay. All right. And ready and go. I'm Lily and Carrie.
And I'm Claire Carey.
And we're here at home. And this is the second half of the intermediate cross-step waltz class. We're going to combine these with the video we took 3 weeks ago and put those two. It'll be 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, so make sure you find both of them to catch everything from this class. So we added on a variation to the leads under. So
One of our favorites, actually.
So the first one, you've seen this lots of times, under, hands back, inside turn. I turn to face the outside and regain my basic. So we added a sliding door, and actually, let's go that way. Okay. We would try not to get too close. So I walk under, I send my partner into the middle, I change places, and I draw the hands back. Yeah, back line of dance, which is a little bit on the different side, right? I'm actually moving back, and I do have to regard whoever is here, so I'm going to check my mirrors. So let's do it one more time this way. I walk under.
She creates compression with me about now, but then she's going to drop the hand and send us both away from each other so we get that lovely stretch. Now we're going to trade places with that cross. Cross and
notice I'm facing Claire, and I draw the hands back line of dance and forward. We'll do it this direction just for clarity. And under. Send my partner in and change places, back line of dance, and regain the basic.
off.
All right, then we worked a little bit on grapevines.
Yeah.
And we did predominantly second half grapevines. We have the other grapevine with the over rotation that leaves the follow on the outside of the circle. We already have that on video. We also have the first part of the second half grapevines.
But we'll do it.
But not all the variations.
Yes.
So first variation, I do a waterfall. I do an inside turn and back to close.
There's your back to closed again.
Right, similar.
Yeah.
Second variation was a tuck and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I go over to my left, and then I face the outside on that turn. So this is really juicy. As Claire comes in, I'm going to collect that energy, and I'm going to step to send my follow in an outside turn. I also am paying attention to my orientation, so by the time I lead that final turn, she has gone to the outside. It wasn't that she went to the outside, I just went to the inside.
She made it easy for me.
I did. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inside turn, and now I'm facing the outside, and we've regained the basic.
We talked about follows, really letting that flow and really feeling that wind up for the inside turn. And then when I come out of that inside turn, I'm going to keep that energy going, really thinking about bringing my left shoulder back and right shoulder forward so I can get all that juicy potential energy and have that outside turn. I really don't want to go too fast here. I really want to take my time, find the connection, and turn from all that wonderful potential energy.
Then the last one,
That was so great.
we keep going to 3 and then lead an outside turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So I'm grapevining 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So a full, I guess basically 6 grapevines.
Yeah.
By 3, I want to have my follow here. That's my goal. So the outside turn is just simply that. There is no inside turn on this variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back to basics. I want you to notice that I continue to travel forward.
This really flows. It's really the natural